Hello beautiful people, thanks again for joining me today. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do this beautiful gorgeous green Aso Oke. I want to welcome our new subscribers. I want to say thank you. Welcome to the family. Don't forget to subscribe, share the video. And to all our subscribers, thanks again for joining me. Thanks for your continued support. So if you want to see how to tie your Aso Oke, keep on watching. The first thing, don't forget to pack your hair in one place. And this is Aso Oke we are using right there. We're going to do short and long, 30, 70, 70, 30. And when we've already formed the pleats, if you want to start to form the pleat, click the video after you finish watching. It's going to show you how I iron my gele to get a beautiful plait like this. And we're going to start from the head. I put it on top of my head and take your time. Make sure that the front is gele. And I'm going to turn so you can see. I'm going to crisscross it in the back. Make sure it's really tight. And then the next step, I'm going to put the shorter one down and I'm going to work on a longer one. You see, when I iron it, I've already get about 4 pleats already. That's the advantage for some of us who are struggling with how to get those plates. It's not an easy thing. I was smiling there because my daughter, you guys can't see it. She was right there. She doesn't want to show on a video. So the next step, I'm going to get more plates just like that. I did it twice. So just do it just like that. Just like that, all the way down to the end of the gele. And then I'm going to take the longer one and I'm going to put it slightly on top, not over the plate that we got before. Slightly over that. Don't put it direct on top. It's going to look bulky. And after that, you can see the reason why we get more plates. You see how easy it is instead of just doing it on your head when you put the gele across. Very simple, very easier. And like I said, if you want to see how to iron your gele, click that video. After watching this, it will make you look like a professional when you do that. Very, very easy to do. Please, when you iron your gele, don't burn your gele, please, okay? So after that, we're just going to work on those plates. You're going to need your fingers, your hands, and just take your time. And then the next step, I'm going to fold it just like that. I'm going to take the shorter one first. We're going to crunch it 1, 2, 3, 4, just like that. I'm going to do the same thing to the right. Now, don't leave it right away. Did you see that? I almost came out everything. So make sure that you hold it at the end and then you can get the end like that and fold it like we did to the right, just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to tie it. I'm going to turn so you can see how I will tie it. I'm going to tie it twice. So that way at the party, you don't need to run back and forth to adjust your gele. Once it's tight, you're set all night long. And then now we're going to arrange it. You're going to need your fingers, your hands. If you have a long nails, I don't know what to say. You can use a pony comb, but I think your finger will be the most important thing with this. I don't wear fake nails. I can't stand it. I don't care for it. So the shorter one, if you can do, you can just tuck in there on the gele. If not, you can use the pen. You see that it's not stained. I'm going to use the pen later. But back to our plates. Now we're going to arrange it. The excess fabric to my left, I'm going to be putting it. I'm going to go pull it to my right. So that way, I don't want to be one-sided. It's going to be bulky. So take your time. Do not let the plate lay on top of each other. So take your time and just pull it. So that way at the end, it's not going to be too, it's not going to be one-sided. So just pull it. And then like I was doing it, just pull it just like that. Please don't forget to subscribe. And when you subscribe, you see the little icon bell. Click that so when we post anything, you will get notified. And after that, the other one, you can pull it if you're able to pull it. If not, you can use the pin, the excess, the remaining fabric to my left. And after that, you just arrange it. That's it. That's what I'm doing right here. Just the final arrangement. So for the back one, I'm going to use pin for that. And after that, if you have to adjust your makeup, go ahead and do it. And then after that, I'm just going to put my jewelry on. Normally, I don't normally put jewelry when I was tying gele. You don't want your jewelry to get cut. And this is it right here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful me. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. And when you subscribe, click the icon bell. And I will see you guys on the next video. Mwah.